Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Margot's Place, and this morning I'm out here getting ready to fertilize my plants because after that water, that rain, oh my God, it has actually got rid of a lot of nutrients that I had already put in the soil of all these raised beds and all these fruit-bearing plants. They need to be reintroduced to some microorganisms. So today I am going to be watering my peppers and my tomatoes mainly. Then I will start on my brassicas. That's right, I'm going to start on my brassicas. So let's go. So, I'm going to go ahead and put a whopping couple tablespoons, as I call myself, measuring out each one of these gallons. Even this watering can, you want to make sure you mix it up real good now. This stuff stinks, but it's good for your plants. It's good for your plants. So you want to shake it up really good. This is good stuff. It won't burn your plants either. I really don't like applying it when this is rainwater, but I don't like applying this stuff because the rain is so cold. So I usually let it sit out here and get a little warm. But for demonstration purposes, guys, I'm going to go ahead and show y'all how I water some of these raised beds and containers that lose a lot of nutrients because of the rain. Several days of the rain. Hey Gigi, welcome back to the channel. Got a big garden, so I got a lot to cover. Yeah. Some gardeners don't like using this because it's got an odor to it. Let me tell you, honey, it works. It works. Let me just start. Doing this tomato plant. You want at least 2 inches of water. The base, do not wet your leaves. Don't do that. Here's a pepper. Hope y'all can get this. Let me change the camera around. Let's see if you guys can see me doing this. This is a pepper. I just did this tomato. And then I'm gonna go up in this bed and go around this tomato. Some of these little celery. beets. Take this off. Sometimes you can do a better job. I need a cameraman. Purple basil. A lot of this dead that the nutrients just wash the frick away, yo. I think I'm gonna go ahead and use this to do it all. Go down to my tomatoes. And usually you're going to use, like I said, do not do the plants leaves. Do the base of the plant. That's one. Let's go ahead and get this. Here's first tomato. Yo. Sure you get everything. Got some chamomile in here. I'm concerned about that lavender plant. Then you just keep going. Let's go over here to my container garden and continue the process. Especially in the containers, yo. You want to give a nice drench. Pepper plant. This is broccoli. Broccoli. Pepper plant. So much fun. Now, I think I made enough to do my whole garden. Let's go on over here to this strawberry plant right here. Which is already, see that strawberry on there? Yeah. So, that's my brassicas. Follow me down here so I can do more peppers. Get my boost. A lot of containers dry out fast. The good thing about it is they don't keep water to drown out your plants. So far, 3 gallons has been used. I'm on my 4th gallon. Girls. Make sure you get them good. So, used 5 gallons and ran out. So I'm making a new supply. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell. Tell a friend to tell a friend about the channel. We're fertilizing today. Peace.